Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2020 Ford Ranger XLT in shadow black with a black cloth interior. This has less than 11,000 miles on it. It has the off-road package, which gives you this bash plate on the underneath here, and then the upgraded tires, a little more aggressive tires on 17-inch wheels, tuned shocks, so you're all set up for off-roading. This is four-wheel drive. It also has the tow package, so there's a hitch ready to go in the back, and you can tow up to 7,500 pounds with that. Those 17-inch wheels are painted in this cool magnetic gray, and it's got running boards too. This has the Ford Co-Pilot 360 system, which is a lot of safety technology. It's lane keeping aid, blind spot information system. There's a forward assist collision with auto braking, and also cross traffic alert for the truck itself and for whatever you're towing. That's pretty cool. The bed, I think, is a 6-foot bed, and it has this rubber mat. Super clean truck. Just came in yesterday. We get cool trade-ins all the time. And my understanding is that these trucks are hard to come by right now. Manual seats. It has the doors that open like this. Super cool. Eight-inch touchscreen. Your four-wheel drive controls are here. Towing option here. A couple USB ports. You have two 12-volt power outlets here. Your climate control, decent radio, auto dimming mirror, place for your sunglasses. It's got it all. Such a cool little pickup truck. If you're interested, this is stock number 6138B. PortlandVolvo.com has all the details, and we hope to see you soon. And keep checking back, because we just might have your perfect car. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo.